The Wyoming Highway Patrol has issued an Amber Alert on behalf of the Johnson County Sheriff's Office for 4-year-old female Aspen Marie Roth and 2-year-old female Serenity Ann Naslaund. They were taken by their non-custodial mother, Alexis Roth, a white female, 5 feet, 5 inches tall, 120 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes. She was driving a white 2009 Dodge Caravan, Wyoming plate 16 to 9068. They are traveling with a 3-month-old female Alexis has custody of. They were last seen in Buffalo, Wyoming around 10 a.m. and may be traveling to Grand Prairie, Texas. Anyone with information should call 911.